Our story begins in Japan in 1924 with an inventor named Sakichi Toyoda. He created an automatic weaving machine that changed the textile industry. The success of this invention gave his son, Kiichiro Toyota, the resources to chase a bigger dream, building cars. In 1933, Kiichiro started an automobile division inside his father's company. Just 3 years later, in 1936, they built their first car, the Toyota AA. They changed the family name Toyota to Toyota because it was easier to say worldwide and considered lucky in Japanese culture. By 1937, Toyota Motor Company was born, but soon came World War II, and Toyota shifted to making trucks for the army. After the war, Japan's economy collapsed, and Toyota nearly went bankrupt. In 1950, the company faced a huge crisis: strikes, financial trouble, and uncertainty. To save Toyota, Kiichiro stepped down. But instead of dying, the company rebuilt itself and formed Toyota Motor Sales Company, which gave it a fresh start. In 1957, Toyota entered the US market with the Toyota Crown. In 1989, it launched Lexus, its luxury brand, and in 1997, it shocked the world with the Prius, the first mass-produced hybrid car. Toyota showed that it wasn't just following trends, it was creating them. From the 2000s to today, Toyota has become a leader not only in cars like the Camry, Hilux, and Land Cruiser, but also in innovation. Its Toyota production system revolutionized manufacturing, and today it is investing in electric cars, hydrogen fuel cells, and self-driving technology. So, from a small loom business to a global automotive giant, Toyota's story is about dreaming big, adapting to challenges, and never stopping innovation.